by default context parameter, all the things are book underscore list.html is the file. Context parameter is book underscore list. If you want to customize, that is also possible. I am using customization by using template name books.html, my own file. Context object name I am using books. Up to here we completed into our last class. cd Django cd cbv to py manage.py run server. In this server is started. We have two URL patterns are there. ఒకటి list / list. All books information from where it is taken. Customized template file means our own file, it is taken and displaying the details. Now go to the atom, you can comment that one, it is taken default template file. ఇది customized template file. ఓకే, books underscore HTML. నాకు ఇది వద్దు, డిఫాల్ట్ కావాలి. Books, this one. Go to the views, comment these two lines, then default templates. Now come to here, use copy, go to here, paste it. Normal. This is the normal file, this is the customized. So the second class is detail view class. Ante a particular record I want to display the details. Detail view. This is the predefined class name. To get the details of a particular record, here default template file name is book underscore detail.html and default context object name book or object, anything you can use. We names. So detailed view రావాలి అంటే small changes required. Sorry, done. That is ఇక్కడ books.html I'm displaying all the records. Detail కావాలి అంటే you don't display like this. books.html లో books.html ఇదే కదా. Yeah. Here don't display all, just you have to display only titles. First title with anchor tag Python, second one with Django, third one with REST API, fourth one data science, fifth one React. Like that anchor hyperlinks you can create. Don't display like these all information at a time. What is the meaning of detailed? Once it is anchor tag, once I clicking on Python, display Python details. Once Django, display Django details. REST API details. Data science details. Atla you have to display the hyperlinks. Then once I clicking on that, it should be display that one. For that, small changes are required. That is first take one view, list to view, okay, for these views. Book list view 2. Book list view 2. So in the books.html, don't display all the details like this. Only create anchor tags, display those details. So what changes are there means books.html. Remove all this nonsense. uh, div class container. Now all books information. Okay. Inside anchor tags kada. Ordered list inside curling brace percentage for each book in what is the context parameter books list of element internally provide anchor tag రావట్లా. Inside here I want to provide curling brace book dot title I can provide it there. Now go to here and for another list division. Okay, done. దీనికి ఒక URL కావాలిగా URLs to book list view 2. Okay, come to here customize లేదు కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు list 2 all books information రాలా. ఓహో స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. బుక్ డాట్ books all books, yeah, Python, Django, REST API and DS. Once place this hash symbol is coming there, but I want to display that URLs kada. So once you click on this hash will be provided ఇదిగోండి. ఇప్పుడు నాకు once clicking on this I want to display first book information. If I am clicking on Django information, Like that detailed I can required. So for this body, come here, take this one. We changes required. urls.py. URLs lo this is the URL. So avi changes we have to do. But దీనికి I want implemented book detailed view. So next the class name is book. What is the class name? Detail view is the class. Create one child class, inherited this one, give the model name. So go to the views, class, book, detail, view. What is the parent class? Detail view is the parent. This is the inherited. Just you have to mention model name. Model equal to what is the model name? Book, bus. ఇదే వ్యూ. సో ఇక్కడ own template object not required. Default I am using. That's only this one line. That is the views. దీనికి ఒక URL కావాలి. How to define URL means whenever చూడండి in this page, once I clicking on this one, I want to click so and so book ante in the book.html here I can pass the book ID slash curly brace book.id. Once I'm passing this ID will goes to check for URL pattern. That URL I have to mention for this class, that is go to URLs. One ID I am passing to URL. Integer primary key. Views dot book detail view as view. అది URL pattern, అది views. సో దీనికి వాట్ ఈస్ ద HTML పేజ్ డిఫాల్ట్ HTML పేజ్ ఏంటిది? బుక్ అండర్ స్కోర్ డీటెయిల్ డాట్ HTML. కంటెక్స్ట్ పారామీటర్ వచ్చి యువర్ విష్, ఎయిదర్ బుక్ ఆర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్. సో వన్ HTML ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద HTML అండర్ టెస్ట్ యాప్లో. ఇన్సైడ్ యూ కెన్ డిస్ప్లే డీటెయిల్స్. బుక్స్ దో templates, test app, right click, new file, book underscore detail.html. దీనిలో కాపీ div class h1 ఆల్ బుక్స్ కాదు కదా, ఓన్లీ వన్ బుక్. కర్లింగ్ బ్రేస్ 2 ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ బుక్ ఆర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యూ కెన్ యూస్. బుక్ టైటిల్ సో అండ్ సో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఒకే బుక్ కాబట్టి ఫర్ లూప్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్, horizontal lines, all these not required. Book information, so and so book title, author, pages, price. Server started. Now come to this one. Remove this. Once place the cursor, it is pointing to the first book. This URL will ghost URL pattern. It will display first book information. Pythons అన్ని 120, 150 pages. React.js, REST API, data science, DJANGO. ఇప్పుడు ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు ద బ్యాక్, ఐఎమ్ క్లికింగ్ ఆన్ దిస్ వన్, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్. ఇక్కడే ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రొవైడెడ్ 2 buttons ఫర్ యూ. వన్ ఈస్, డూ యూ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్ దిస్ బుక్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గో టు ద మెయిన్ పేజ్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి ఐ ఆమ్ ఆస్కింగ్. అప్డేట్ అయితే ఐ కెన్ అప్డేటెడ్ దిస్, డిలీట్ అయితే దిస్ వన్ గాన్, లిస్ట్ అయితే గో టు ద బ్యాక్ పేజ్, మెయిన్ పేజ్. అలా హియర్ ఐ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ 3 buttons యాంకర్ ట్యాగ్స్ అండ్ పెర్ఫార్మింగ్ ఫంక్షనాలిటీ. అప్డేటా, డిలీటా, లిస్టా. లిస్ట్ అయితే బ్యాక్కి వెళ్తే, అదర్వైజ్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ గో టు ద బ్యాక్. సరే ఇప్పుడు ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ దిస్ డిలీట్ చేయాలి, వాట్ టు డూ, ఆర్ ఐ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్ ప్రైజ్. అప్పుడు 3 buttons ఐ కెన్ క్రియేటెడ్, అప్డేట్, డిలీట్, లిస్ట్ వ్యూ, బ్యాక్. That I will tell how to implement it. This is the detail view. things. He will take care everything. Book will be saved successfully. You are getting error, still book is saved, refresh. అదిగోండి. Came, not came. Came. What is the error? I will resolve it. But book అయితే సేవ్ అయింది, సిక్స్త్ వన్ జావా. సో బుక్ సేవ్డ్. ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ అబ్జర్వ్. నో యుఆర్ఎల్ టు ఏమన్నాడు, రీడైరెక్ట్. అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ బుక్ విచ్ అంటే విచ్ పేజ్ యూ వాంట్ డిస్ప్లే, లిస్టా, డీటెయిల్ వ్యూనా, విచ్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఇంకేమన్నాడు సొల్యూషన్, ఎయిదర్ ప్రొవైడ్ ఏ యుఆర్ఎల్ ఆర్ డిఫైన్ get absolute URL method in where model. What is your model name? Book. Inside you can mention get absolute URL method. Then which URL you can mention URL, that page will come. So book inserted successfully. Click on Java. Java ఆధార్ పాప అంట 180 160 ప్రైజ్. సో అలా ఇన్సర్టెడ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ. Form. This is the body of the code. Once if we fill the form and submit, the record will be inserted into database, but we will get an error. The reason for that, after inserting to which page control has to go, we did not define. That is the reason for error. And after inserting which page can I open? I'm not mentioned. That's why they are telling improperly configured yet create. Two solutions are there: redirect, or you can implement get absolute method in model class. Sorry, model class. This is method name. Get absolute URL is the method. So models.py lo you have to define that method get absolute URL method. So models lo after all fields def get absolute URL. First argument is self. Inside return you have to go with the reverse URL pattern is required from Django DJANGO URLs import one is there, reverse function is there, return reverse. Internally you can use detail, and I have to give an argument, keyword arguments, parameter is there. We have to give primary key. Which one self dot self is always pointing to current class object. అయితే సింపుల్గా once we go to here, once we run this, they are getting what is the detail not found. Invalid URL pattern is going to read this. What is detail? మనకున్న URLs ఇవి. Whatever URLs are there, list to create. Detail any URL is there? Not there. That's why we are getting error. That's why ఇక్కడ page I want to display దీనికేమో URL pattern is not there. That's why I have to give a parameter name equal to whatever name given there give. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ URL pattern is not there, only ID I am passing. That's why I'm given name. This details I want to goes to their server restarted. Now create. Now observe 6 books are there, refresh 7 because again I submitted కదా అందుకని 7. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ పైథాన్ జాంగో రెస్టిపీ. నెక్స్ట్ టైటిల్ numpy ఆథర్ పేజెస్ ప్రైజ్ ఇన్సర్ట్. ఇదిగోండి numpy book is added, we are getting it. So corresponding page it will be displayed. List 2 numpy book is added. So ikkade once go to back, all these things are implemented. Every time direct URL we are not using create. Instead of that, ikkade you have to create one button. What is that? Create new book. Once created, it will goes to this page. Here you have to create 3 buttons: delete, update, go to list viewer. Then you no need to click on back button, front button, direct URLs, because we never use the direct URL patterns, only buttons. So that is the way. Models.py, go to here. Idanతా not required. After all fields, queue the method, get absolute method. What is that detail means? urls.py. Detail view, you can give the URL. This name you can give. This detail is nothing but I provided there. So list to create. Next class is update view, after that delete. After update, we have to delete. So create one view. Story same. At the time of update, 4 fields I don't want to update. Okay. Book, update view, parent class, update view, copy. Generally, when I want to update the book, you have to other title never changes. Only if you change what it is, price and pages only. If you increase the pages, automatically increase the this one. Or else fields equal to all. Anything you can give your wish. This is the views. Fields equal to pages and price, or else you can give all. Your wish, anything you can give. Underscore underscore all. Anything is okay. For this one URL, URLs, you can pass update, which record you can pass that key, integer primary key we need to pass. Instead of create, update view, done. But what is the template file? For example, the template file is already available now. Book underscore form, same template file only for the deletion also. So అందుకనే book insert or ఇక్కడ you can give just update form. ఇక్కడ you have to give insert or update the book. But now check the server, copy here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Want to go with IDs. IDs are there. I want to some first book Python, first one I want to update. So come to here, the URL pattern is update /1 పోయింది. update 1 ఇదిగోండి. book is update, insert update, Python name Sunny Leone, pages 190, కాస్ట్ 180 అనుకోండి. ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆర్ అప్డేట్, గో టు బ్యాక్ ఎండ్, పైథాన్ సన్నీ 120 రీఫ్రెష్, ఇదిగోండి సన్నీ లియోని 190 180 పేజెస్. సో లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్డేటెడ్. కానీ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ డైరెక్ట్ URL ప్యాటర్న్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్ ఎనీ బుక్, కెన్ ఐ గివ్ డైరెక్ట్ URL ప్యాటర్న్స్ లైక్ దిస్? నో. మరి హౌ టు అప్డేట్? Papa 2 insert, now updated. But I don't want to give URL pattern. You have to mention one button. Where can I mention that button? Ikkada. Which book you want to update in the detailed view? Do you want to update this book? Ikkada you can give button. This you can give the URL pattern. That is the correct process. So 1 minute. Book underscore detail here. All the books will be displayed. After this anchor tag here, update this book information andam. First time I getting idigondi, update this book. It is pointing to hash symbol. Don't want to hash. I want to go to update /update/ I can pass ID, current book ID you can pass. ఒక class btn /warning. come here, refresh. ఇప్పుడు జావా book so and so, update this book 3, insert, come here, refresh. ఇదిగోండి. బస్. సో విచ్ బుక్ యూ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్? ఫస్ట్ గో టు ద లిస్ట్. ఇంకా 1 by 1 functionality you have implemented slowly. list 2. which book I want implemented? numpy. yes. do you want to update? next I will give one more button parallel ga. which one? delete. then 2 options, update or delete. delete అయితే this will gone, update అయితే form will be displayed. update maheshsir Malhotra, updated. Come here, refresh, updated. So now we have to implemented update. So URL patterns, this is the URL. Form give not required, default form is already we are given that HTML page only it will be considered. The default template is book underscore form dot HTML only. So you don't need to take any HTML file. That file will be considered. After in that form.html, insert slash update ఇవ్వండి. Both it can be useful. Book underscore form.html. ఇంకా సేమ్ కోడ్ కాబట్టి నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్, జస్ట్ యాడ్ ఇన్సెట్ ఆర్ అప్డేట్ బటన్. బస్ యాడింగ్ update button in book underscore detail dot html page. One button we are added. For this batch admin, I don't know. Maybe Shubham, I think you can call to that person, Syed. For delete ki some story will be there. Form page. You want delete all the things will be there. Tomorrow I will tell about that delete button story. Before 9th December. You can check in the maybe first Google Classroom link. It is available. I think that